Hey guys! Want to know the secret to living longer and staying active? Well, let me tell you, it's not some magic pill or fancy equipment. It's yoga. And trust me, you don't need to be a pretzel twisting expert to get started. Today, I'm sharing simple daily yoga routines and practical tips you can use to boost your health and increase longevity, no matter your age or experience. First up, let's talk about mornings. When you wake up, don't just jump out of bed and rush into your day. Try a gentle Surya Namaskar, or sun salutation. It's a quick sequence of postures that gets your blood flowing, wakes up every muscle, and sets a positive tone for the day. Just 5 rounds, right after brushing your teeth, is enough to feel fresh and energized. Next, focus on your breath. Pranayama is a game changer. Even 5 minutes a day of deep breathing, like Anulam Vilom or alternate nostril breathing, can lower your stress, improve your mood, and even support your heart health. It's as simple as sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and tuning into your breath. Try it before breakfast or in the evening, and you'll notice the difference. Alright, now let's address flexibility and strength. You don't have to touch your toes immediately, okay? Start with basic stretches like Tadasana, the mountain pose, and Vrikshasana, the tree pose. These asanas build balance, stability, and keep your joints happy. Hold each pose for just 30 seconds, and slowly increase as you feel comfortable. The key is consistency, not perfection. Want to keep your mind sharp as you age? Meditation isn't just for monks, yar. Just 5 to 10 minutes of sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, can reduce anxiety and help you sleep better. I like to do this before bed, with lights dimmed, just letting the day go. You'll wake up more refreshed and ready to tackle anything. Last but not least, listen to your body. Yoga is not a competition. If something feels uncomfortable, back off. It's about progress, not pushing through pain. Over time, you'll notice better energy, flexibility, and even a calmer mind. So to sum up, start your day with Surya Namaskar, practice a few simple asanas, do 5 minutes of pranayama, and end with a short meditation. Easy, right? Do this daily, and you'll be on your way to a longer, healthier, and happier life. Try it, and let me know how you feel in the comments below. Take care,